Okay, my students, we have here some questions about gerund and infinitive. So let's do them. In the first one, Dan enjoys, and the verb here reads science fiction. Okay, look at the sentence carefully. Dan enjoys. The verb in this sentence is enjoy. And we said that after enjoy we use gerund. So the answer is reading. Okay, reading, which is gerund. 2. Lucy plans to study abroad next year. Here in this sentence we have the verb plan, and after plans we use infinitive. So the infinitive to study. To study. Okay. 3. She managed to communicate with them even though she didn't speak their language. Here the verb is managed, okay, and after managed we use infinitive. So the answer is what? To communicate. To communicate. So the answer is to communicate. Okay. Now in the fourth sentence, do you mind help me translate the text? Here the verb is what? Mind. Okay. And after mind we use what? We use gerund. So the answer is helping. Okay. Now we have this quote, okay, اقتباس, for William Shakespeare. The quote is, to be or not to be, that is the question. To be or not to be, that is the question. Here, as you see, the quote starts with to be. Okay, to be is called what? Infinitive. To plus this form of a verb. So, can we use the infinitive at the beginning of a sentence? So the answer is yes, but this is informal language. في اللغة الرسمية, okay? Okay, now please open your workbook, page 52. We have exercise number 1 and 2. Now we will do them. These are about infinitive and gerund, but don't forget to write the day and the date at the top of the page, okay? Let's start with the first one. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verbs in brackets. The first one, Sally doesn't mind getting up early. Here, why we use getting up? Because after mind, after the verb mind, okay, we use what? We use gerund. So we add ing to the verb. 2. She is looking forward to going to college. Here, after is looking forward to, we use gerund. So we add ing to the verb. So the answer is going. 3. How are you planning to spend the weekend? Here, because we have the verb plan, okay, here the verb is what? Are planning. Are planning is the verb in this sentence. After plan, we use infinitive, so the answer is to spend. 4. What subject do you enjoy? Here the verb is enjoy, and after it we use gerund, so the answer is studying. 5. John needs to revise for the math test. We have need, the verb, and after it we use infinitive, so the answer to revise. Have you managed to finish your science homework? The verb in this sentence is managed, and after it we use infinitive. 7. Joe is very good at swimming. Okay. After is good at, okay, we use gerund, so we add ing. 8. Billy's mother helped him to complete his art project. Here the verb helped, and after help we use infinitive, so the answer is to complete. Now let's move to the second exercise. Complete the sentences in a suitable way using the infinitive or using the gerund ing form of the verb. 1. It's very cold in here. Would you mind coming in? Here we use what? We use gerund, as you see, coming in. Okay? Why we add ing? Because here we have the verb mind. 2. Sam looks very happy. He enjoys playing tennis. After enjoys, we use gerund. 3. The students have gone to the library. They have decided to read books. After the verb decided here, we use what? We use infinitive. 4. It's such a hot day. Would you like to drink juice? Would you like to drink juice? After drunk, after like, we use infinitive. 5. It's the last day of school and Meg is looking forward to going shopping. Here is looking forward to. After it, we use gerund, which is going. 6. Because he worked hard, Freddy managed to sleep. After managed, we use infinitive. 7. The students are very interested in playing computer games. Okay. Or interested in. After it, we should use gerund. So here the answer is playing, which is gerund. And the last sentence, Lucy wants to be an astronomer, so she is planning to study hard. Here is planning, the verb, and after plan we use what? We use infinitive. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you understand the gerund and the infinitive and you distinguish between both of them.